Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's JJ back with another video for you guys today. And today there's going to be, I don't know what my mom was saying. I don't know, there's airplanes, some sort of something flying over my house today. So I'm going to video that for you guys, and that would be kind of boring, just that. So I'm going to get a couple riding clips for you, hopefully, in this video. So enjoy guys. Guys, I was literally just about to film a disaster. I was doing a disaster, and I hear some loud noises. I'm not sure if you can hear that or not. They're here. Whoa, that's sick. Oh, that's loud. That's sick. Are they coming back? No, they must have been turning.
Talk it to me, Jazz.
On my news, ballin' like Curry. It makes that bitch like a McFlurry. Chains icy, I'm looking furry. Yo, bitch, yeah, she purty.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Peace out. See you in the next one, guys. Remember, like and subscribe too.
Hey, what you did right here? I just bought a ride, then I switched lanes. My eyes feel like water, it is in the rain.